Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Keyword Planner. First of all, go to your browser, then go to ads.google.com. Here, start a new campaign. After that, this type of interface will come. Choose your objective to create campaign without goal guidance and select campaign type to search. Select website visit. Here, you have to give your business website. I am giving mine. Then click on continue. Here you have to give your campaign name. I am giving demo 455. After that, you have to select all countries and territories. Then you have to select your language, that is English. And you have to select your budget. I am selecting budget $5. After that, click on save and continue. Here you have to create your ad group name. I am giving ad group demo. Here you have to enter the product or service such as Facebook and click on update keywords. Then click on yes replace. These keywords are words or phrases that used to match your ads with terms people are searching for. You can add as many ads you want. Then click on save and continue. So that's all about Google Keyword Planner. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.